Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a PC that shuts down at random, or the PC gets so much hot then it trips off. Here is a PC Thinkpad X1 Carbon 90 gel that was sent. The problem is, after it works for some time, the PC will trip off. So the person will have to turn it on again, and it keeps happening on and on. So how do you fix this? All right, I'm going to open this so that to look at the problem. So basically, when these things happen, number one, it could be that the cooling fan has stopped working. That's number one. Number two, it could be that the heatsink vent has blocked. And number three, it could be that the thermal paste has dried off. So definitely there's problem with the cooling system. I've made several videos regarding why you should have your PC serviced periodically. Right, and I've also shown how to clean your PC fan. Several videos. So on this ThinkPad S1 Carbon Nigeria, I'm going to show you what actually happened and how I will go about this servicing. Why this is ThinkPad, the same principle applies to all PC, whether it's MacBook, HP, Dell, or PC. Same principle applies because cooling system exists in all those PCs. And since cooling system exists, they still need to have it serviced. Right? Good. So let's look at this. All right. So here is the back. I'm going to pop out the back of this PC. All right. So here is it. These are the cooling fans. Look at the depths around. And here is the heatsink. So what I'm going to do is first, because battery is still on this PC, I have to remove the battery first. So how the battery has been removed, then I will remove the heatsink, have the fan clean up, and also replace the thermal compound or thermal paste. You see, in tightening the heatsink, you do it diagonally. It's even written as well. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how you go about it. So next is to turn this on. So I'll position it this way and turn it on. Yeah, it's on. Fan spin. You can see the fan spin. It has spinned and right, it's spinned and stopped. So the PC is going to go through reset. Yeah, it's going to go through reset. There's no CMOS battery on this PC. All right, let me close it, and the job is done. That is how to go about it.